The Galaxy S26 is generating new enthusiasm as it suggests a lighter, slimmer future that has devotees giddy. This lineup feels more real than ever thanks to Ice Universe's most recent leak. He disclosed the exact weights assigned to each of the three models, and the figures are generating discussion worldwide. The weight of the regular Galaxy S26 is 164 grams. The Galaxy S26 Ultra weighs 214 grams, while the Galaxy S26 Plus weighs 191 grams. These measurements show a sophisticated design that maintains high build quality without seeming clunky by striking a balance between elegance and substance. The collapse of Ice Universe seems to be one of those infrequent breaches where everything suddenly makes sense. Samsung's design trend is evident when comparing the Galaxy S26 lineup to the iPhone 17 series, lighter, thinner, but still packed with larger batteries and more sophisticated cameras. The iPhone 17 weighs 177 grams and is 7.95 millimeters in size, compared to the standard Galaxy S26 164 grams and 6.9 millimeters. The iPhone 17 Pro weighs 204 grams and measures 8.75 millimeters, while the Galaxy S26 Plus comes in second at 191 grams and 7.3 millimeters. At the top, the iPhone 17 Pro Max weighs 231 grams and has a notably thicker frame than the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which weighs 214 grams and measures 7.9 millimeters. According to Ice Universe's study, Apple's hardware selections add weight, while Samsung is keeping things svelte. The Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung's next-generation powerhouse, is generating a lot of excitement. The entire S26 family will use LPDDR5X RAM, which can run at an incredible 10.7 GB per second, according to Ice Universe. As a result, Samsung is achieving even greater performance than the S25 series, which peaked at 9.6 GB per second. With 10% higher transfer speeds, the Galaxy S26 series will carry on the legacy of 12 GB of RAM across all models, making every task seem seamless and blazingly quick. Ice Universe states that Samsung is anticipated to use its proprietary semiconductors to power the whole S26 family, guaranteeing superior performance and consistency. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.